Okay, real quick. Started making a list a while ago. Stuff I need to do. Alright. There's the pregnant stump mold. I'm gonna pour it out plaster gauze this weekend. I gotta get that done. Boss has already told me things I need to do. I'm gonna start the rubber on this stand. Pregnant stump stand. Gotta do that. Alright. Shankles tree. It's plaster gauze mold and it's heavy and it's heavy duty. I mean it's solid. It's got bolts in it. Got a little rigging on it to help support it. It can be beefed up and be poured just like it is. This leg here I had to cut to help release. Let me show you this. I'm not perfect. I don't claim to be, but look. Anyway, knock that loose to help demold. Not saying it should be that way. It's just the way it is. Give you a little more pressure. Anyway, let's see. We'll flip this thing. That's a mold, dude. Let me tell you. It curls around there. Makes a flat little top on it. Put a planter on it or stand on it. So the shankle tree. Pretty cool piece. Alright. She's got orders for about 4 or 5 of them. That's a high dollar piece. A lot of rubber. It's heavy. Alright. Shelly, my pumpkin's bigger than yours. Boss wants me to start this weekend too. I gotta clean it. A little trash on there. I'm gonna raise it up. I'm gonna put me a little bit of clay underneath it. Raise it up 3/4 of an inch maybe. Get it up where when you brush up under this here, you ain't got too much rubber trapment so you can get air in there. Right. There's your Plasti-Paste 2. That's what it looks like when you open the box. You gotta mix all that stuff up. Part A, and you got part B. I won't talk about the modified stuff too much, but look, it's just doubt. It'll hurt you. You don't want to be hitting it with your fingers like I just did. Knuckles. Right. Everything you see bouncing is plaster I had on the table. It's my fault. But yeah. Sorry. Stuff's good. It'd make a good backing. Maybe it is pricey. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Compared to this little, about 3/8 thick maybe. Good stuff. Anyway, just showing what the heck's going on. See you guys.